Hi, friends! So, the king literally wrote me a love letter. Again, that's number 7. Should I start charging per scroll? Update. He said he'd literally die if I don't marry him. Like, okay, Henry, relax. I'm not saying yes, but also, have you seen this emerald?
Okay, so, slight drama. He's divorcing Catherine. Like, for me. I didn't ask him to, obviously. But, like, y'all, he actually made me queen. Henry's so unserious. But also serious. I'm just gonna smile and curtsy and hope I don't trip on the carpet. Everyone's acting like this baby has to be a boy. Like, sorry I didn't custom order a mini Henry. Chill. They say I flirted with, like, 5 guys. First of all, thank you. Second of all, y'all need to chill. So, like, a few of my friends got arrested. Weird vibe. Henry said not to worry. Probably just palace politics. He's probably just being dramatic again. Love him. Slight hiccup. I'm in the tower. They said cheating, but honestly, I know he's just planning a surprise. Henry loves pranks. Anyways, subscribe to AIvlog Live. They're accusing me of, like, everything. Witchcraft, affairs, bad vibes. Henry wouldn't actually let them punish me, right? He's just committed to the bit. Okay, so apparently this is actually happening. But Henry said they hired a French swordsman, so, like, clearly he cares.
That's a thoughtful beheading, if you ask me.
Anyway, if this is a prank, you nailed it, Henry. Don't forget to like and subscribe to AIvlog Live, and tell Henry I'm not mad. Love you all. Bye.